Dumpster Rental Service in Massillon, Ohio. Clean your project and site with a convenient dumpster rental service in Massillon, Ohio, from Ohio Roll-Off and Dumpster Rental LLC. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, cleaning out your business, or managing a community event, we're here to make waste disposal simple and hassle-free. Ohio Roll-Off and Dumpster Rental LLC offers reliable and efficient dumpster rental service. We're a locally owned company dedicated to providing affordable, convenient solutions for homeowners, businesses, and event organizers. No matter the scale of your project, we understand the importance of timely service and reliability. Whether you're renovating, managing a construction project, or cleaning up after a big event, we're here to help. With Ohio Roll-Off and Dumpster Rental LLC, you'll enjoy competitive pricing and a customer-focused approach. We know the area's unique needs and can ensure that your waste disposal runs smoothly, on time, and within budget. Experience the difference of working with a local team that genuinely cares about your project. Call us at 330-453-0000 for a free quote. Let Ohio Roll-Off and Dumpster Rental LLC keep your project on track with dependable, affordable dumpster rental services in Massillon, Ohio.